You don't need to be shining this anymore. You do not need to be shining it.
You're totally wrong, Mama. I've never seen this color before. I've never seen anything like this.
House of Kolor.
It's
House of Kolor. That my bike's made the same House of
I
Kolor.
literally have not ever. I've never seen anything like this color.
And that's the expression, the most common expression that's happening right here. Anybody who walks right past this, that's the expression that they have. So I had to show you guys. So as I was saying, even if it was covered with mud, it would still be looking as good as it is now. All right, first, introduce yourself, please.
I'm Danny Miles from Florence, South Carolina. Me and my partner over there, Harold Robinson, from Camden, South Carolina. We buy and sell and collect cars, and we ran across this Mustang probably about a year ago.
Okay.
And we're really not a Mustang forward guy, but if you see this thing, it kind of just draws you in.
It'll convert you. If you're not, it will definitely convert you. Now,
We decided to take it.
what year is it?
It's a 1966
66 Mustang, and
Mustang. It's got a 5.0 Coyote engine.
nice.
It's got a Tremec 6-speed transmission. It's sitting on the Art Marston chassis.
Sitting on a which chassis?
Art Marston.
Okay.
Art Marston chassis. It's got 20s and 18s. It's been widened in the back 2 inches on each side.
Right.
Um,
It looks a bit like a Cadillac from a certain angle, doesn't it?
yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like I say, all this is custom made here.
Now this is beautiful. So 5.0 Coyote, did you say?
Coyote. Yeah, 5.0 Coyote.
Okay. Now, so you're gonna have to walk me through it because this looks very different to the other hoods that I've been seeing.
This is just hand fabricated
Okay.
that Vinny done at the rod shop
Yeah.
to detail it, make it look.
And what have we got here?
It's just part of the detail design that he came up with. Vinny came up with all this.
Wow.
The LED lights up under here, that little button there.
It's absolutely brilliant.
Like I say, he made all these panels here.
I mean, with the lights like that, you have to drive with the hood up.
Yeah.
You'd have some trouble navigating, but
It was done by Cato.
okay.
He's now in Atlanta. He used to do interiors for Iron Resurrection down in Texas.
Okay.
And now he's moved to Atlanta.
The interiors are just absolutely luxurious. Before I go in there in details, what is the paint color?
Paint color is a House of Kolor root beer.
Root beer.
Root beer, House of Kolor.
I've never had a root beer that looks this good. Very nice. Now there's been a lot done to this Mustang, so what has been kept original? Anything?
Yeah, all the quarters and everything are original.
Yeah.
And this is the grill has actually been customized. The bumper's been tucked. All this aerodynamic stuff is made by Danny.
So is this on air ride?
No, it's not on air ride. It's sitting on that Art Marston to give you that look.
Look how nice this is here, just from this angle here.
See right here, we tucked everything in.
There's a lot of details.
We made this foot scoop. You can tell everything's the detail.
Wow.
Match.
And that's custom, and it's just been done so well. Coming into the interiors now, I mean, I'm loving this. It's just very luxurious.
The interior. Oh, it's custom made. I've got a wooden knob here.
Yeah.
Also matches the wooden knob here. It's got backup camera. It's got turn signals in it.
Oh wow, look at this.
Inside here.
It's the small, fine details that give it its overall complete look, doesn't it? I mean, it just screams of luxury. Now, the roof, we got
The roof is a brown color.
brown color.
But it's a Mustang convertible, so you gotta
Electric, mechanical, electric.
Power.
Well, I mean, when you've got the Bluetooth and all that happening, obviously that's going to be powered roof.
Okay, all this is
Love
tucked
this.
in. Vinny made these one-off covers for the headlights. All this is handmade. Exhaust system. This is the gas door here.
Oh wow, that's unique, isn't it?
There.
That's very neat. It's very cute. Got the words right out of my mouth, sir. Wow, this is just brilliant.
You open the trunk by a little lever right here.
What's the purpose of having the lever there behind?
Here's the key.
Okay, so it just looks more flush.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Where's the battery?
Behind that.
Behind it.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Custom behind everything.
And you've widened the back.
Yeah, 2 inches on each side.
Wow.
He's worked a whole quarter.
Wow.
You can see this angle right here. You can tell this. What year is that? It's got the, I think these are King Dig It door handles, smooth door handles here.
Wow. Oh, nice. And I noticed you've got lights happening in the inside as well as soon as the doors open.
There's lights in there also.
Wow, look
Interior
at that.
lights. There's also lights in here.
That's brilliant. Absolutely love it. What are those knobs over there, those
That's
three?
the knobs for the headlights and for the power top.
You guys have done it so well because they've kept that very flush, the dash, without having too much of a small thing sticking around.
Done the wood grains as it goes across the dash, the door panel, gear knob, you know, the console to that.
It's very well. Well, now's the time come for me. I've been offered very kindly that I get to have a seat in this, and I know so many people are going to be jealous.
Pull your shades down, take your backpack off, and go for a ride.
Oh yes, yeah, I would love to sit there. I can just sit here, turn on the engine, and just drive right out in front of in the middle of the
Quite
crowd.
that far. You don't have to pretend.
I'm going to pretend. I'm very good at pretending because I've seen a lot of nice cars and they're always indoors. So I just get in there and I pretend.
There you go.
All right, sir. I'll get you to hold this. I want to make sure that my feet are clean. You've been shining this all day, Danny, so you can just turn it, you can just hold it, it's already recorded. Turn it around, turn it around. Yeah, that's it. This is just brilliant. These seats are so comfy. So in 69, what were the seats like then? Did they have the seats like this as well?
Pretty much, but not leather.
Oh, no.
Typically cloth.
Nowhere near as comfortable as this is. Not much room in the back, but you wouldn't need it, would you?
No.
No.
It's not a family car.
It's not a family car. No. You don't need the family when you're driving in this, right? This is just brilliant. It's absolutely beautiful. And like you said, the small finishes here with the wood on the trim here on the door, matches this wood here, all the way up to the locks. It's beautiful.
Here you go. Hold on a second.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, sorry. Daddy wants me to put on my sunglasses. There you go. Now I'm going to pretend I'm driving.
Wow.
No, it's brilliant, sir. I appreciate it. It's brilliant. Yeah, my viewers are going to love this. Tell me what you guys think, comment, and don't forget to subscribe because that's going to keep me at these shows, right? No, it's absolutely brilliant. I have to get off, otherwise I'm going to drive off. The beautiful Mustang's got two owners. Harold is the other owner, and I was just curious, like, how does a car like that get shared? So, Harold, what was your response?
It needs to be cleaned up. I take it down to Danny's and let him clean it up, and then I bring it up to my house and enjoy it.
I love your attitude. That's why you've got Dan there with the rags and the spray shining it.
Yes, absolutely.
Good for you. It's absolutely beautiful.
Thank you so much.
It's absolutely beautiful, and thank you for allowing me to come up and have a look at it. And yeah, it's brilliant. You got everybody stopping.
Yeah, everybody.
Everybody likes it. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for doing that.
Thank you so much.